Boys, check out that video title. It's like NameBran circa 2016 in this. God, I can't swear in the first 10 seconds. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, man. I woke up in the middle of the night last night soaking wet. I pissed myself. For give me a hard time down below, I had a nightmare. And everyone pisses themselves when they have those, right? What was the nightmare, you ask? Well, I'll let you know right now. This is the reason we're doing the video. I got a long week ahead of doing a bunch of outdoor activities with the boys this week. And now I started thinking, my God, man, it's summertime almost. I don't have any sick kicks to wear. And when I say kicks, I mean like slides. I don't wear shoes even in winter. There's something autistic about that, but we won't get there right now. Anyway, I didn't have any sick slides and I pissed myself because of it. Where do we go from here? Boys, stores are closed because what's going on in the world where I live right now. I'm pretty sure they're closed. I'm not too sure on that, but I ain't going in public. I ain't trying to catch this because I'll die. Which leaves me to one more option. If I want some sick kicks for this week, I gotta make them. Boys, welcome to another NameBran custom. The legend is back. I'm stoked. First off, boys, thank you so much for joining back. If you want to see more sneaker customs, it's just hit me lately, man. I'm like, I gotta do what I do best a little more often, which is destroying expensive things and making them better, in my opinion. We've done everything from deep fried Yeezys to Yeezy Slurpees to Yeezy skates and a bunch of others. It's time that we bring it back. Boys, it's a monumental moment on the channel. For anyone that used to watch this stuff, this is crazy. Anyway, thumbs up or comment down below if you're into this idea. Appreciate it. Sick. Now here's my idea. This is where the video starts to get a little downhill, probably. Boy. I was super excited to do this custom until I thought about saying my idea out loud. Now it's seeming a little crazy. Let's just do it. Let's do it, Brad. So keep in mind, I actually do want to wear the shoes we're about to make today. This is what we're using to make this custom. We've done something like this before, but never this sick. Boys, I said I don't have any slides to wear this summer. I actually do, and I'll explain why I can't wear them as is. These are real special to me, man. This is the first merch drop I ever got from JUICEWRLD, like right before he passed, or like a year before he passed. These things are absolutely so sick to me. We got the 999, absolutely dead stock. They've got to be worth money, but I'd never sell them, right? I always wanted to wear them, but I can't because they don't fit me. I thought because we need a new pair of slides, we're just gonna make them fit me by taking these Yeezys right here, which are actually like $1,500 if they were dead stock, but my mom painted on them, and it sucks to have to destroy these puppies, but the whole top, I think I blew up a spray paint can accidentally, and it just landed everywhere all over these, so they're ruined anyway. Also, I tried to fix them with ramen because there was a hole right here, and that hack did not work. What we're doing today, boys, is taking these slides that I never thought I'd ever be able to wear, and we're gonna replace the top of these to the bottom of these Yeezys. Yeezys that fit me, and you know, if it works out, then I can wear them, and it's gonna be sick. Without further ado, boys, here's the ingredients. Grab your goddamn blowtorch. If you don't have one, ask your mom. She says no, come ask me. Just kidding, don't do that. Actually, don't do this custom at all if you're underage. I just have to say it. I'm sorry, boys. It was lame, but you gotta do it. Next up, grab a knife and some glue sticks. It's honestly it. That's all you need, boys. It's actually a glue gun. I said glue sticks because I feel like you can't say gun on YouTube anymore, you know? Alright, well, this is where it gets interesting. Boys, what do we need this for? We're about a hot knife. One of my favorite ways to cut plastic. It might set on fire, so let's be a little careful here. Here's how you start. You turn on the nozzle, grab your lighter that you forgot, and let that blowtorch blow. Just trying to get you guys to see the icebox. $30 later, by the way. Alright, so as we heat this up, boys, I think we're gonna start. Which shoe do we want to work on? I think we'll do this one. No, we'll do this one. Ooh, nice, that worked. Alright, boys, knife, as you can see, is red hot. We gotta be real careful with this. I had a lot of coffee. The last thing I really need today is everyone saying, hey, Brad, what do you want? It's coffee, I got the shakes. Boys, literally, take out the sole, and we're just gonna cut right through here. I've made slides like this before, and dude, if you actually glue it right, this thing's gonna work remarkably. Just like that. As y'all can see, this is an expensive shoe. Oh, I'm really starting to regret it now. This was my favorite shoe because my mom made them for me. Quick story, actually. If you see this shoe right here, it has like a joint on it. It's because the other one has a put-out cigarette. When my dad passed, I was smoking too many cigarettes. It's a nice little story for the kids, man. Maybe not. And then my mom's like, with her art, because she's an artist, she's like, hey, Bran, put down the cigarettes and pick up a yoint, buddy. So I started doing that, and it's life's been a lot happier ever since. Do not promote, by the way. It's for anxiety purposes. Boys, look at how this is going. So obviously what we're doing right now, we're cutting the base of the shoe. And if you could think any further and you're not as dumb as I am, we're cutting this off after, we're placing it on the shoe, and we're gonna have a great time. It's gonna be a whole party or something, I don't know. Also, the reason we hot knife, all these loose threads get melted. And this right here is where we didn't hot knife. Huge difference. Let's take it back off. I'm very excited to wear these. Not gonna lie, boys, my girlfriend's gonna be a little mad about this custom. This is from our good knife set here. All right, now just don't cut through your fingers, Brown. We got that good shot too, though, buddy. Oh, this part's a little harder. You're a biatch, aren't you? Never cut towards your stomach. I just don't really know how to use these things. Next time we're using a chainsaw. Yeah, definitely. Wow, boys, without further ado, we have the bottom of our slide. Oh, that was my last tape. Bad lessons everywhere here, boys. It just looked like a nice little racket, you know? Yeezy tennis racket, come and see it, I'm thinking. Boys, onto the slide. This is gonna suck to break. But if there's one way in this world I'm gonna be wearing these shoes, it's this one, and that's what I'm gonna do. This part gets a little tricky with the cutting. What we're gonna be cutting right here is all the way down, but then if you guys can see inside, we actually have to still cut into the shoe down here. So if you guys know, like, I don't know, like a little person or somebody, I can't say that. Somebody who's not a child with like small hands, maybe your girlfriend or something, just trying to stray away from the little person. Anyway, somebody with small hands to really like get in there in a safe manner. Bad safe, bad safe. Shoot, that's why we can't do customs, Brian. You don't think. Plug in your glue gun while you think about this video might not be that good of an idea. Or while you play a fake army man, I guess. Really sucks voicing over yourself when you're just an idiot. Okay, if this damn cord was a little longer, it might look a little more natural doing this. All right, boys, moment of truth. Let's glue her on. I'll show you guys how it looks after. Alright, this might take me a little while. Quick ad. This video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, boys. Me. If you guys are looking for real cheap jewelry, as you see on the page right now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Quality's not the greatest ever, but it's free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You like that one right there? Buy it. You can actually add 2 free pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping, boys, with the link down below, NameBranFam.com. Boys, you know brands for the family. Brands for the boys, and that's why NameBranFam is a thing. Thank you for sponsoring us. Me, nobody else will. Without further ado, boys, we just... Oh god, it's so... Got my glue gun in a plastic bag, it's on. Without further ado, boys, she's done. Now, it doesn't look too pretty. I got a little cleanup to do, but like I said, my girlfriend's coming home in a second. Boys, well, first off, this is the freaking 999 JUICEWRLD Yeezy. Boys, we're gonna try this thing on. We're gonna do what we need to do. You guys do see I did put the sole in here. What I need to work on a little bit, but I want to get this video up to you today, is just kind of like cleaning that up on the sides here. This glue, take a little Sharpie to it. You won't even see it. Also, as this fully dries, it should like stay on your feet. You know what I mean? There's always better glue to use than a glue gun, but if you guys actually want to try this, maybe like try better glue. That's all I have. You know what I mean? I don't know what kind of glue that might be. I got wood glue, and this isn't wood, so we're not sure. But anyway, boys, you guys let me know if this was a win or a fail. I mean, I couldn't wear these anyway, so we may as well do these, right? I couldn't even wear the Yeezys anyway, because they look dumb. I had spray paint all of them. Boys, I'm so stoked with this. It looks handmade, but I think it's funny. That's the main thing I like about my customs. They don't have to look perfect, but the fact that I took a Yeezy and took a different slide and put it on the Yeezy and destroyed 2 very expensive things, I think it's funny as hell. So that's what I wear. Oh, also, if there's like a price in the title, there's none of these in the world, boys. So this is like maybe like $12,000. I named the price. I made it. Strategy, boys. Let's try her on. I guess we'll do it right here. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little scared, guys. I feel like I didn't really fit it to my foot the way I should have.